Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Bronco. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct oil, typically 6 quarts of 5W30 synthetic blend. Always park your Bronco on a level surface and let the engine cool down completely before you begin for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually located on the oil pan underneath your Ford Bronco. Place a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old oil flow out completely. This step is crucial for a clean and effective oil change. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter, which is often found near the front of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal and prevents leaks. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform final checks. Reinstall the drain plug securely and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the oil fill cap. Start your engine briefly, then turn it off to check for any leaks and verify the oil level on the dipstick. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.